In this lesson, we will discuss a systematic approach to safety management, along with its documentary needs. In line with the recent requirement for operators to implement a quality management system to continually assess the performance of their organizations, ICAO now mandates a safety management system. Many airlines have had the elements of a safety management system in place for some time. However, this requirement, from January 1st, 2009, formalizes the arrangement. On the screen are the Annex 6 requirements for the contracting state. Take some time to read the items on the screen before proceeding. Because quality and safety tend to go hand in hand in aviation, many airlines have merged these management functions to produce a systems approach that reflects the ISO or QS 9000 series of standards, of which you may already have heard. On screen are the Annex 6 requirements for the safety management system. Both quality and safety management systems are dependent upon accurate and timely data that is interpreted meaningfully and then acted upon, backed by a total commitment from the airline to improve its standards. For operators of aeroplanes over 27 tons, there is also a requirement for a flight data analysis program, which fulfills the need for timely and accurate data. Many operators use the British Airways Safety Information System, BASIS, which gathers and analyses data, not only from the aeroplanes, using a number of parameters and a recording device, but also from crew reports. If a parameter is exceeded, for example, more than half-scale deflection of the azimuth needle during an ILS approach, the relevant data is recorded automatically on the QAR, Quick Access Recorder, and fed back to safety services at the airline. This part of the system is called SESMA, Special Event Search and Master Analysis. To safeguard the source and prevent punitive action, BA uses BALPA, the British Airline Pilots Association, to de-identify the information. If action towards a particular individual is required, it is BALPA who initiates and mediates it. Obviously, an appropriate documentary system must underpin any safety system. The operator is required to establish the document system as part of safety management for the use and guidance of his operations personnel. In Attachment H, ICAO provides information on this documentary system, including how it should be organized. That is, organized to ensure easy access to operational information, while also helping management distribute and revise important operational documents. To this end, the information should be grouped according to its importance and use, as shown on the screen. Quick reference cards and guides should be used to collate and display the most important and frequently used information. A common thread in aviation, and relevant here, are standards and standardization of flight safety documents. The system must be to the highest standard, demonstrating consistency in terminology and coherence throughout. On screen are some other guidelines for the document system. The remainder of the attachment deals with the deployment and amendment of the system. Deployment should be to those operations personnel who need the information, and there should be a loop such that these people can feed back to the operator any issues or concerns they have with the information. Sources of amendment could be feedback from the operations personnel through the loop already mentioned. Additionally, various states, including those in which the operation occurs, will require an input. The states of the operator and registration will require input with respect to the operation. The states of design and of the manufacturer will need it with regard to the aeroplanes. Here we end our exploration of this topic. Although Annex 6 contains many more standards, these are encompassed by EU Ops, which is the next document for our detailed study.